Wait, is he really?
Is he recording?
Yeah.
He sucks at driving.
Nick, you suck.
Yo, you see my driving skills, right?
No,
You're a
they
good
suck
driver.
too. It was.
What?
No, you're a good driver.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I didn't even see. Are you serious, Nick?
What the hell is he doing? I want to turn for him.
That's funny. Look, there he is. He's coming back. He's coming back. Oh my god. Oh my god. That poor guy. Ooh, who's he? Let's check him out. Damn, he's too far away. I can't check him out. Oh, there's a car. Wait, he's coming really towards me. He's coming really towards me.
Yeah.
Yo, Peter.
Peter, I'm a better driver than Nick is.
I'm a better driver than all these motherfuckers.
Just
I need
one.
a cigarette now.
I'll give you a cigarette.
Nick!
One.
Nick, don't ever get your license, because I'll be fucking scared. You know what that looks like? That looks like Jordan. Jen, look behind you. That guy, he looks. Oh, you just got
I
my.
get to go around like 2 or 3 times.
You're hot.
Oh, my.
Don't go fast.
Yeah.
We're attracting attention, driving around in circles in a
He's so
parking
sexy.
lot. Oh my god, Jen.
Nick, you think he's sexy too? Wait, Stanley's driving again? Why don't I get a drive? Can I go in the back seat? Can I go?
Oh, what are you doing?
I want to go in the back seat. Fuck that. Oh, fuck Nick, whatever. We're the fucking
Let's go
outsiders.
sit down.
Yeah, let's go fucking sit down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nick, give those guys back their scooter.
It's not, it's Peter's scooter.
That's a fucking
I
lie.
swear to God, it came out of his truck.
You're still on video.